How to travel Europe with family. Discover the joys of exploring Europe on a European family vacation. In this video we'll show tips and tricks to your trip. Also, we'll give the countries that are the best family and budget-friendly destinations in Europe. And stay until the end and we'll give surprisingly fun activities for the whole family. Embark on an unforgettable family travel adventure and discover the joys of exploring Europe together. From iconic cities to charming countryside, Europe offers endless possibilities for a memorable family vacation. Traveling with kids can become a breeze, where you can create lasting memories while immersing yourselves in rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Get ready for an incredible family adventure in Europe. Here are some tips and tricks to plan your perfect itinerary. Research family-friendly attractions in Europe to ensure everyone has a great time. Make a list of must-visit cities in Europe that offer a range of activities for all ages. Consider the best time to visit Europe with your family, taking into account weather, crowds, and affordability. Look for budget-friendly accommodations such as family-friendly hotels or vacation rentals. Opt for public transportation or walking to save money on transportation costs. Take advantage of free or discounted attractions, museums, and parks. Plan picnics or visit local markets for affordable meals. Prioritize experiences over material souvenirs to save money and create lasting memories. Consider purchasing city passes or attraction bundles to save money on entrance fees. Stay flexible and open to unexpected opportunities, as sometimes the best experiences are unplanned. Tips for smooth traveling with kids. How to keep everyone happy and safe. Flying with kids tips. Book direct flights whenever possible to minimize travel time and avoid layovers. Bring entertainment options like books, coloring books, and electronic devices to keep kids occupied during the flight. Pack snacks and drinks to keep hunger at bay and prevent any mid-flight meltdowns. Don't forget to bring comfort items like blankets and pillows to help kids feel more at ease during the flight. Check with the airline about any special services or accommodations available for families traveling with kids. Packing essentials for family travel. Pack a first aid kit with essential medications, band-aids, and any necessary medical supplies for your child. Bring extra changes of clothes for both kids and adults in case of spills or accidents. Remember to pack any necessary travel documents, such as passports and visas, for each family member. Don't forget to bring entertainment options like toys, games, or portable DVD players to keep kids entertained during the trip. Pack a lightweight stroller or baby carrier for easy transportation while exploring your destination. Managing jet lag while traveling with kids. Adjust your child's sleep schedule a few days before departure by gradually shifting bedtime and waking time closer to the time zone of your destination. Encourage outdoor activities and exposure to natural light upon arrival to help reset your child's internal clock. Stay hydrated and encourage your child to drink plenty of water throughout the journey to combat fatigue. Keep naps short during the day to help your child adjust to the new time zone faster. Be patient and understanding as it may take a few days for everyone to fully adjust to the new time zone. By following these tips, you can ensure a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience for the whole family while keeping everyone happy and safe. Don't forget to subscribe and like to receive notice of additional videos. The best family and budget-friendly destinations in Europe. Where to go and what to do. Paris. The City of Lights is perfect for family vacations with its enchanting Disneyland Paris, where kids can meet their favorite Disney characters. The Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and boat rides along the Seine River offer memorable experiences for the whole family. London. This vibrant city offers endless family-friendly activities, from exploring the British Museum and Natural History Museum, to taking a ride on the London Eye. Don't miss a visit to Warner Brothers Studio Tour for a magical Harry Potter experience. Rome. Known for its rich history, Rome offers attractions like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Vatican City. Kids will love exploring the catacombs, trying authentic gelato, and making a wish at Trevi Fountain. Barcelona. This coastal city boasts beautiful beaches and attractions like Park Güell, designed by Gaudi, and the interactive Cosmo Caixa Science Museum. Families can also enjoy the lively atmosphere of Las Ramblas and the stunning views from Montjuic Hill. These destinations provide a perfect blend of history, culture, and entertainment, making them ideal for unforgettable family vacations in Europe. Amsterdam. Known for its picturesque canals and vibrant culture, Amsterdam offers plenty of family-friendly activities. Visit the Anne Frank House, explore the interactive Nemo Science Museum, and take a boat tour along the canals for a unique perspective of the city. Prague. This fairy tale city is a great choice for family vacations in Europe. Explore Prague Castle, visit the Prague Zoo, and take a relaxing boat ride on the Vltava River. Kids will also love the colorful astronomical clock and the interactive exhibits at the National Technical Museum. Copenhagen, Denmark's capital city, is a haven for families. The world-famous Tivoli Gardens amusement park offers thrilling rides and beautiful gardens. Visit the National Aquarium, explore the Experimentarium Science Center, and take a stroll along the picturesque Nyhaven waterfront. Vienna, known for its rich history and grand architecture, Vienna offers a range of family-friendly attractions. Visit Schönbrunn Palace and its expansive gardens, explore the interactive Zoom Children's Museum, and take a ride on the Wiener Riesenrad Ferris wheel for stunning views of the city. Lisbon, Portugal's capital city, is filled with charm and family-friendly activities. Explore the historic Belém Tower, ride the iconic Tram 28, and visit the Lisbon Oceanarium, one of the largest aquariums in Europe. Don't forget to indulge in some delicious Portuguese pastries. Stockholm, this Scandinavian gem offers a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. Visit the Vasa Museum to see a 17th-century warship, explore the interactive Junibacken Museum, and take a leisurely boat tour around the archipelago. The Skansen Open Air Museum and Zoo is also a must-visit for families. These destinations offer a variety of attractions and activities that cater to both kids and adults, ensuring a memorable and budget-friendly family vacation in Europe. Making memories, fun activities for the whole family in Europe that won't break the bank. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Europa Park, Germany. This theme park offers a thrilling experience for the whole family, with over 100 attractions and shows spread across 15 different themed areas. From roller coasters to water rides, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Tivoli Gardens, Denmark. Located in the heart of Copenhagen, Tivoli Gardens is one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. With its beautiful gardens, charming fairground rides, and live entertainment, it's a perfect place for families to make lasting memories. PortAventura World, Spain. Located near Barcelona, PortAventura World is a popular destination for families seeking adventure. With its thrilling rides, shows, and a water park, it offers a fun-filled day for everyone. Lake Garda, Italy. This stunning lake in northern Italy offers a wide range of outdoor adventures for kids. From boat trips and swimming to hiking and biking, families can enjoy the beautiful scenery while staying active. National parks, Europe. Europe is home to numerous national parks that provide wonderful opportunities for outdoor exploration. From hiking in the Swiss Alps to exploring the Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, families can immerse themselves in nature while creating unforgettable memories. Museums and historical sites, Europe. Europe is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Visit museums like the Louvre in Paris, the British Museum in London, or the Acropolis Museum in Athens to expose kids to art, history, and culture in an engaging way. Local festivals, Europe. Many cities and towns in Europe host vibrant festivals throughout the year that offer a glimpse into the local culture and traditions. From the running of the bulls in Pamplona, Spain, to the Edinburgh Festival Fringe in Scotland, families can experience the excitement and immerse themselves in the local atmosphere. Picnics in parks, Europe. One of the simplest yet most enjoyable activities for families is having a picnic in one of Europe's beautiful parks. Grab some local delicacies, find a scenic spot, and share a meal together while enjoying the fresh air and surroundings. These activities provide a range of options for families to have fun and create lasting memories in Europe, without breaking the bank. Culinary delights, exploring European cuisine as a family. Traditional European dishes to try as a family. Pizza Margherita in Italy. Enjoy a classic thin-crust pizza topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. Paella in Spain. Indulge in a flavorful rice dish cooked with saffron, vegetables, and your choice of seafood or meat. Fish and chips in the UK. Delight in crispy battered fish served with chunky fries, mushy peas, and tartar sauce. Schnitzel in Germany. Try a breaded and fried meat cutlet, typically made from pork or veal, served with potatoes or a side salad. Crepes in France. Savor thin pancakes filled with sweet or savory fillings like Nutella, cheese, or fresh fruits. Kid-friendly restaurants in Europe. Hard Rock Cafe. With locations in various European cities, this popular chain offers a lively atmosphere and a menu that appeals to both kids and adults. Vapiano. This Italian restaurant chain allows you to customize your own pasta and pizza dishes, making it a hit with children. Wagamama. Serving Japanese-inspired cuisine, Wagamama offers a variety of noodle and rice dishes that are both tasty and kid-friendly. L'Osteria. Known for their oversized pizzas, L'Osteria is a great option for families looking for delicious Italian comfort food. Mamma Mia. This family-friendly restaurant in Greece specializes in traditional Greek cuisine, with a menu that caters to both young and old. Cooking classes for families abroad. La Cuisine Paris, France. Join a family-friendly cooking class to learn how to make French classics like croissants, macaroons, or crepes. Tuscany Cook, Italy. Experience a hands-on cooking class in the heart of Tuscany, where you can learn to prepare authentic Italian dishes with your family. Barcelona Cooking, Spain. Join a family cooking workshop in Barcelona to discover the secrets of Spanish cuisine and create delicious tapas together. The Jamie Oliver Cookery School, UK. Let your family master the art of British cooking at one of Jamie Oliver's cooking schools, offering classes suitable for all ages. The Culinary Institute of America, Germany. Take part in a family cooking class at this renowned culinary institute, where you can learn to cook traditional German dishes. These culinary experiences will not only introduce your family to the flavors of Europe but also provide a fun and educational way to bond and create lasting memories together. Create unforgettable memories on your European family adventure. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns.